In the summer of 1955, a black woman named Rosa Parks was arrested in Montgomery, Alabama. She was traveling to her workplace in the morning, and because she refused to give up her seat for a white person, the driver asked the police to take her in. Although this wasn't the first time a black person was arrested in this manner, her arrest proved to be a turning point for the black community of United States. After the arrest of Rosa Parks, Martin Luther King Jr., who was a Baptist minister at the local church, he decided to be a figurehead in the campaign against getting Rosa Parks out of jail. In the Sunday church meeting, there was a gathering of prominent figures of the black community in which they decided that they will boycott the Montgomery bus service for its unjust and unfair treatment to the black people. Flyers were distributed in the black community of Montgomery. On the Monday morning of the boycott, King woke before dawn and got his coffee. His wife Coretta shouted that the first bus to pass was completely empty. King got into his car and started driving around, checking other routes. In an hour, he counted 8 black passengers, which should have been 100. Men were seen riding mules to work, and more than one horse-drawn cart was shown, and the spectators were shouting, "No riders today" to the drivers. After this incident, Martin started the Equality for Blacks movement. Martin went on to struggle hard to ensure that black people were given their freedom and were stopped being discriminated in the American society. He was jailed almost 29 times during this movement, and eventually he was assassinated. His assassination sparked riots throughout the country, which led to the American Civil War. Later on, the black people were given equal rights as the white people and were given the freedom that they deserve. He also won a Nobel Peace Prize after his death for contributing to the freedom of black people.